Hi friends, today we are going to see one more concept, feature extraction from the machine learning. Okay, so we'll see what is this feature extraction in machine learning. Okay, first of all, in feature extraction, new features are created from a combination of original features. So some of the commonly used operators for combining the original features includes Boolean features. I mean, some operators we will use. What are those? For the Boolean features, we will use conjunction, disjunctions, etc. For nominal features, we use the Cartesian product, and etc. For numerical features, we use minimum, maximum, addition, etc. So, what is this feature extraction exactly means? Suppose if we are having some features, suppose I have some features x1, x2, x3, and I have one output y. So in feature extraction, new features are created from the combination of original features. Suppose I have two features, x1 and x2. So these two information, with the help of these two input features, I can create new feature. So combination of original features, I'm going to create one new feature. So what is happening here? Instead of considering 3, we are considering 2. So like, I'll give you one more example. Suppose I have height, one column, and I have weight, one more column. Okay. Let us assume I have BP, one more, and I have patient's condition as the output. Okay. These are my existing columns, features. From these existing columns, instead of taking height and weight, I am going to create one new more column, that is BMI. So how will you calculate the BMI? If you know the height and weight of the person, you will get the BMI. Okay. Now how I created this new feature? So this is a combination of height and weight, which are the original features. Now I'll consider. So instead of 3 features, now how many features I have? BMI and BP and output column. So my features are reduced. I have extracted the new feature from the original 2 features. This thing happens. So to combine these two, we can use any of these operators. To combine the original features, we can use any 3 of these operators. For the Booleans, we can use conjunction, disjunction operators. For the, if we are having nominal features, we can use the Cartesian product and etc. If we are adding 2 numerical features, we can use minimum method, maximum operator, addition operator, or extra. Say any of this based on the input value. Okay. In this way, the feature extraction is performed. Next. So how it is performed? So the same way I have explained just now. So here I have how many features? 1, 2, 3, 4. But after the extraction, how many features I have? 1 and 2. Let us assume you can choose anything. Suppose I am choosing some feature A and feature C. Let us assume I am getting feature 1 by adding some weights to the feature A. Plus, I'm using the plus operator, some 0.9 into feature B. So what happens if I combine these two, feature A and feature B with one operator? I am getting the feature 1, this one. So by using A and C, I'm getting the feature 1. So in this way, how we will do the extraction means in this way. I have used the operator plus operator. So based on the given data, we can use any operator. Right. Next one is here. The most popular feature extraction algorithms used in machine learning. So we have some algorithms which we will use in the feature extraction. So the most important algorithms are, most popular algorithms are these two. What are those? Principal component analysis and singular value decomposition. First, we'll see what is this principal component analysis in brief. Okay. So PCA is an unsupervised machine learning algorithm that is used for dimensionality reduction in machine learning. So what is mean by dimensionality reduction means the number of features, reduction of number of features. Number of features in machine learning. So observe from the diagram, I have PC1, PC2. So in this dimension, after applying the principal component analysis, my dimensions, this is in the 2D and I have these 4 features. Okay, so we will create each input will be created with PC1. That means principal component 1, like that. So your dimension will be reduced in the principal component analysis. So dimensionality reduction technique. And next one is singular value decomposition. What we will do in the singular value decomposition? Singular value decomposition is a matrix factorization technique commonly used in linear algebra. That is factorization of that matrix into 3 matrices. So see, here I have C into M of n. After that, I have applied the SVD technique on this. This is a combination of some other 3 matrix. So factorization of these 3 matrix will give you the new matrix, that is C into Mn and C U M into R, summation R into R and V of R into N. So this is called the value decomposition. This is not the dimension reduction, value decomposition we are doing. Okay, this is about the singular value decomposition. Basically, we will deal with the singular value decomposition, we will deal with the matrices. On the matrices, we'll apply the singular value decomposition. These 2 are the most popular feature extraction methods that are used in the machine learning algorithm. Okay. This is end of feature extraction in machine learning. Thank you.